Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I have this amazing spray here by Bold UNIQ. For those of you who have blonde hair, blonde highlights, white or gray hair, you know that the color sometimes gets dull, brassy, it's hard to keep up. I love this stuff. It is a spray and you literally will put it in your hair when it's damp, maybe a little bit dry and damp. That's when I do it. I do it 2 to 3 times a week. You don't want to get a purple tone in your hair, which can happen. This stuff is amazing. You don't have to put a lot. And literally when you are styling your hair, you are going to notice how amazing your color looks. It is beautiful. You have a great tone to it. No brassiness. You can see the blonde is so nice. So this is a purple toning spray, like I said. So when you open up the bottle, you can see it is purple. And the best part about this, I have to say, is it's vegan friendly. It is not tested on animals. And this bottle is made from recycled plastic. So it is also that amazing as well. But that's just my point of view.